Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying strong edges, roof lines, road edges, window sills. Trace these lines lightly until they intersect. Those intersections are your vanishing points. Why this matters? Vanishing points define depth and scale, so you're setting the scene. Once done, mark the horizon as your eye level and decide if the image uses 1, 2, or 3-point perspective. Make sure to keep your strokes light so you can refine positions as you proceed. Now refine. Draw precise construction lines from each vanishing point through key features. This is where accuracy controls believability. Small angular errors warp the whole scene. Once you have those guides, build simple boxes and planes aligned to the converging lines to place objects correctly. Measure repeated elements using the same vanishing lines to maintain consistent scale. Make sure to erase or fade extra guides later, so the final forms read clean and intentional. Finish by refining edges, adjusting proportions to match your guides, and adding value contrasts to cell depth. You want shadows and occlusion to follow the constructed angles so the perspective feels natural. If something looks off, don't panic. Check the horizon and each vanishing point first, then reproject key lines. Often a single misplaced vanishing point causes distortion. Make corrections, then simplify. Erase construction marks and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.